Chicken Cordon Bleu. Ingredients: 4 boneless skinless chicken breast, about 1 1/4 pound. 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard. 4 teaspoons chopped fresh chives. 4 very thin slices lean cooked ham, about 3/4 of an ounce each. 4 very thin slices reduced fat Swiss cheese, about 3/4 of an ounce each. 1 egg white. 1 tablespoon water. 1/3 cup finely crushed corn flakes or bran flakes cereal. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Directions: heat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray 8-inch square, 2 quart, glass baking dish with cooking spray. Between sheets of plastic wrap or waxed paper, flatten each chicken breast to 1/4 inch thickness. Spread each chicken breast with half teaspoon mustard, sprinkle with 1 teaspoon chives. Cut ham and cheese slices to fit chicken. Top each chicken breast with ham and cheese slice. Roll up, tucking ends inside. In shallow bowl, combine egg white and water. Beat slightly. Place cereal crumbs in shallow dish. Coat chicken rolls with egg white mixture, roll in crumbs. Place in baking dish, sprinkle with paprika. Bake 25 to 30 minutes, or until chicken is no longer pink in center.